how to turn on maintenance mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we scroll down and then tap on device care. Next, scroll down and tap on maintenance mode. Then tap on turn on and say you need to restart the device. So your phone needs to restart to turn on maintenance mode. So tap on the restart button, put in the current pin, and that's it. Now it's creating a log. This normally takes around 2 minutes. After the log is created, your phone will restart in maintenance mode and you can safely hand over your phone for maintenance. Okay, now the phone starts up in maintenance mode. Here you can see it shows maintenance mode. Let's go back in here, device care, maintenance mode, and after that you can tap on exit and tap on restart. Put in the pin and then continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.